Good morning, my name is Akeem Marriott. I'm here, owner operator of Dream Cleaning Services, and I just really want to talk about my immaculate experience here at Magic Wand Company in Perth Amboy. I actually came here to pick up some equipment. I spoke to Franklin and Taff himself, who's the CEO of the company, about various pieces of equipment and cleaning processes. So I was actually able to get set up today with my Orbot Vibe, which I'll be using for VLM carpet cleaning, which is very low moisture, as well as tile and grout cleaning and assortment of other issues I could tackle with this machine here. Also went ahead and got a contractor special, mytee 2002 contractor special, which I'll be using for steam cleaning, mattress, upholstery, and a variety of things that I can tackle. One thing I want to go ahead and say is that I walked in here and I felt free. I felt like there wasn't a person trying to sell me anything. I felt like they were working with me hand to hand, and they were trying to give me all the right tools to build my business and make sure I was able to go ahead and go out and execute to the highest rank. So I just want to go ahead and give my thanks to this company for really sitting down, building with me, giving me some mentorship in terms of, hey, listen, if you wanted to go out here and you wanted to execute and you wanted to offer a cleaning service, these are the tools that you definitely need. So I want to say that I'm super excited to actually get on this journey and get things started. All the tools and equipments, the contractor special, it comes with your solution line, and you have your vacuum hose. It also comes with a upholstery tool. Also comes with a wand, which is in the packages. I have my weight kit here for when I'm using clean hard surfaces, and I have my tile and grout brushes and an assortment of things that that every cleaner needs in terms of going out and making things happen. Thank you very much, Magic Wand Company, for making this a reality for me. I definitely appreciate you guys, and you guys definitely offer great customer service, something that I've not experienced a lot of other places, and I'm grateful. So thank you.